There is interest, but there are no formal offers. And as I said, I'm not, I'm not prepared to do this in any other way other than to put finality as to whether Mamelodi Sundowns are interested in him or not going forward. And if the answer is no, we'll respect that. And then we'll move on. And if the answer is yes, hopefully we can sit down and we can come to some sort of conclusion, because it's unsettling for the player.
Yeah, exactly.
He doesn't know where his future lies, and I think that's understandable. Any player of his caliber whose contract is coming to an end will feel uncertain about their future, and the most important thing now is to bring this to a head, which we'll do in the right way.
Those interests are in SA or abroad?
Both local and abroad.